To turn on sleep mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you will have to open the settings, now move for modes and routines, and go for the sleep mode. And as you can see, before you just click here and manually turn it on, you can set this up to your preferences. So this can actually turn on automatically. You can select when you want to start this, so we can add some conditions, set a sleep schedule. So for specific days, specific time, you can even set an alarm if you want. So that's how it actually looks. Below we can also find a condition, for example, before bed. And when we go back from this one, we can also select what this mode does. So for example, to avoid distractions, so it will turn on the do not disturb mode, and you can set some people that will be able to call you or send messages even when the sleep mode is enabled. You can also restrict app usage, and here it can also change the appearance of your phone, and you can add even more actions. For example, it can automatically turn on the eye comfort shield or the dark mode, or for example the always on display. So there's a lot of options that you can customize, but if you only want to turn it on, you can just click over here.